Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Today, I've got an incredibly beautiful special project share to show you. I am mind blown. This one was actually created by an incredible artist. Her name is Veronica Hebard. She's actually a super special crafty friend. She's a part of the community, and she's allowing me to share this with you today. Veronica, you are unbelievable. So thank you again so much for this opportunity. I'm just jumping for joy right now because I have never seen a circus or carnival style album before. She said that her friend actually got this paper, and look what she did with it. It's beautiful. I love the color you used, and you're right, it is more like a pumpkin sort of orangey cardstock as the base. I think it actually adds this beautiful subtle touch, and I really think it brings out the papers perfectly. She said she ended up cutting around all these images, and it took her a long time, but Veronica, I want to tell you right now, it was worth it because look how beautiful this is. Is this not fun or what? I mean, listen to this. It's so perfect. The shaker on the front, the element, I mean, it's a party. I feel like I'm in the circus right now just looking at this book. I love how you fussy cut around all these elements and that you stuck this beautiful little star here. It's like a plasticky, just adds that excellent texture there. It's so playful. It's just precise. Your matting is incredible. The quality of the cardstock, everything's just holding together beautifully. I just love it. Your balance on the front with your sentiments and your sideways little popcorn guy here, just exceptional. I mean, look at the construction. It's just gorgeous. I love how you actually wrapped your spine separately here, different than the tutorial, which I love. And all these fun little elements on the back. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this. Those rainbow stars, 100% have my heart. I don't even know what to say. You are amazing, Veronica. Oh my gosh. Oh, look. Look. Are we serious right now? That is just unreal. I couldn't think of a better carnival circus book to ever see. Beautifully made. Love how you matted this. She actually used the Folio tutorial, so I'll go ahead and leave the info of the tutorial down in the description for you. And you can use any paper you want. And look what she did with this circus paper. I mean, the cluster of stars right here, it couldn't have been better. I mean, I would have never thought to cluster up some plastic three-dimensional stars like that. Look at this fun guy. Oh my gosh. Veronica, what is up? This is just outstanding. Love the acetate, okay? I love your angle here and how you decided to put some of those words there. And she's got so much fun stuff in here. Look how cute. The lion inside the little cart. And then we've got, okay, camera stamp, 100% perfect, beautiful. Love that addition. Join the fun. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Ah! Journaling lines. Love the little circles. Oh my goodness. So playful, so fun. Classic colors. Just, it's excellent. Oh my gosh, I almost thought I was going to pull something out there. Look at that fun paper. So the original class actually isn't a shaker, but she decided to put one more sheet of acetate and she threw all of her stuff inside there. How easy and customizable. She even did it with this one. So you guys are going to have to teach me your secret because I don't know how to get my pockets to do something that fun where they're all perfectly sliding around. You got to let me know how you do. Okay, one snapshot here. Again, I'm not sure if you caught this. Look at this. The foil accenting in that blue color. Phenomenal. There's some more back here, so it's a double stacked pocket. She's got some more goodies in here. Portrait and landscape style photos. And a cute little ticket. I mean, how fun is this? More journaling lines. I love it. I love seeing journaling lines. We've got a nice magnetic closure, and this opens up again. Look how fantastic. A nice vertical space there. Love your layering. Let's go ahead and get a close-up on this. Oh my gosh, look at that shine. What a perfect addition. Has this beautiful balance. Okay, we've got, wow, beautiful addition there. This opens up, nice magnetic closure. Love your angles. Look how cool. Bringing the stripes back. This balance is just, I feel like dancing right now. This is so good. I'm having so much fun looking through it. Okay, got a pocket here. Look at the footwood. This feels like a booklet. And it is. Unbelievable addition there. See, you can add anything you want. She customized this book and made it her own. Love all your elements throughout this entire book. Fantastic strip at the bottom. Gorgeous little zebra. I mean, how fun is that? I'm thrilled. Look at this fun, cute little clown there. Another awesome photo stamp. What a great little photo indicator. And then these actually pull out as well. There's little acetate little frames here. And then this opens up again. We've got some more photo space. Look at this. Look at that spread. It's just perfect. Love how you just put the stars here on that one. The stars are coming back over here. We've got this whole carriage and everything going on. I mean, is this fun or what? Another accent. Bringing back that shine here to here. I'm speechless. You are a true artist, Veronica. You are unbelievable. This opens up again. Oh my goodness. It's just a party. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's talk about here over here. Look. Wait. We've got an admission little ticket, and this is a beautiful little insert right there. Look how she put that as the, she put this as the pull-out little section tab. Speechlessness. Oh my gosh, love it. 100% in love. I love how you use this creamy ivory cardstock as the picture mat spot where to mount the photo. I think that's going to make the picture stand out so perfectly. And that just slips right back in there. And look how fantastic. She added some glitter dots as well. And clustered everything up. You blow me out of the water. I've never made anything this beautiful. The time, dedication, precision, the matting, the balance, everything is just so perfect. Look at these cute little pieces, and these are little flaps right here. So we've got little side pockets and more goodies and fun. Oh, you stuck these directly on top. Right on top of this tag. How fun. More journaling lines, I love it. Some more of that foil accenting paper. Love the metallics. Ooh, a blue pen this time. That's nice. That's a really nice touch. Oh, it's all blue pen on the inside in here. Oh my gosh, if it was like that before, you can laugh at me later. You can laugh right now too if you want. Super fun. And look at this edition. She's manipulating the paper to work for her. I would have never thought to add my own little glitter on these little spots. Did that come with the paper or did you do that? This rocks. This is so awesome. I can't even look at this. This is the cutest book I have ever seen in my life. It's a total party. It opens up again. I mean, look. This is so much fun. Okay, right here we've got a beautiful little array of waterfall flaps, a fun little guy, and more picture space. Clown, circus, another little foil accenting. Oh, she added a strip into there. Balancing it all out. Look at the little shine and shimmer. I feel like I'm at the carnival. This opens up again. Ooh, beautiful strip. Just so fun. Back pocket behind that nice horizontal waterfall. Oh my gosh, you use this element to actually tuck in a couple more fun guys. And some on the back. Just so sweet. Look at all this in here. Another one of these, more journaling lines. Oh my gosh, 100% blast. Look at this. Journal lines on the back of those, totally dedicated. What a beautiful photo spot. Fun house. Are you kidding me? This is a fun house. Oh my gosh, I've had so much fun looking through this. Veronica, you have seriously taken this craft to a whole nother level. And look how she matted the side as well with these other stars, bringing back that same energy. And it just, everything turned out just absolutely fantastic. It's gorgeous in every single way. It's absolutely just perfect. Veronica, thank you again so much for allowing me to connect with you through your art. It really is just an unforgettable experience for me. Not often do I get to meet my amazing friends in person, so connecting with the hours and hours you have spent on this book seriously means the world to me. I know everyone's going to get inspiration from it. And everyone else, thank you so much for stopping in to see Veronica's incredible circus book. And Veronica, I'm giving you one great big hug, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.